Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
So the reason, hey, sir, can I explain to you the
Fifth
reason
Amendment.
we're here?
What law says I can't have my hand in my pocket?
Well, we're here because we
Go
got a
fuck
call.
yourself.
We got a call about an
I
explosion.
don't give a fuck what
Okay.
you get a call for. That's assault and battery.
No, it's not. I'm just making sure you don't have a weapon.
That's
on you.
assault and battery.
No, it's
Get
not.
your fucking hand.
I don't do
Get
this.
your fucking. Motherfucker.
Hands.
Hands.
Give us
Give us your hand.
Give it to me.
Give us your hand.
Give
Give us your hand. Give us your hand.
I'm not resisting.
I know you're not. Stop.
Ow. Oh,
Give us the other
you're
hand.
losing your fucking job for
Give us
this.
the other hand, brother.
I don't have to fucking talk to you.
There you go.
Get your knee off of my head.
You're fine.
Another hand? Good.
You're fine.
Get your supervisor now.
Supervisor's
He's here.
here.
18 one in custody.
Good job. You lost your jobs. I need names and badge numbers, everybody here.
You got it.
You'll get
Let's
him.
roll him up on the recovery
Ow.
position.
Here, don't touch anything, okay? We're gonna try to get you.
I'm not kicking anything.
I know,
I'm
just
not
like,
even
you know.
resisting. I'm completely relaxed.
When you turned and squared up towards the officer, that didn't look
I
like you were
didn't.
not resisting.
You battered me.
Okay.
So
You
have
have
the right to
no
remain
legal
silent.
right to touch me. I don't have to answer you. Fifth
And it will
Amendment.
be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to attorney.
Yeah, and it will be used against you.
Yeah. And if you can't afford
You
it,
have a
before you run the
huge
courts.
lawsuit now, motherfucker. All three of you, names and badge numbers.
I think that's not your first time telling us that.
I have the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I never have to talk to you. When you put your hands on me, that became battery. I have every legal right to defend myself.
Jason Sutherland.
Good job.
Well, Jason, the reason we're down here is
I don't give a
hold an
fuck why you're
explosion.
down here. I have a legal right to be on the sidewalk recording you in the official capacity.
Okay, but when your hands
I don't have to answer you.
I didn't say
There's
you did.
no law that says I can't have my hands in my pockets. Why do you think clothes
Hey, bud,
have
we're gonna roll
pockets?
you on the other side there, bud, so we can pat you down.
Oh, and we're
And
investigating.
I do
a
not
call about
consent to
explosion.
searches or seizures.
Okay, I'm patting you down for weapons and means of escape.
Doesn't matter. You have no legal right to do so.
Roger that.
This was your last fuck up.
All right, you want to stand up?
Nope.
Stand you up, Jason.
Should we put your shoes on then?
I want to stay on the ground.
Names and badge numbers.
You got it. Let's put your shoes on.
And your supervisor.
Who's here?
No, the supervisor off scene. I'll take Lieutenant Duncan or Lieutenant Sapp. You all just committed major felonies against me.
They'll be notified.
It'll be notified when I take you to federal court, dumb shit.
I hear
I
you.
already got one lawsuit against you.
Yeah.
You don't believe me? Ask Space Sketch Waters.
All right then.
You want to sit up on your butt? You want to sit up on your butt?
When your supervisor gets on scene, I
Well,
know.
he's not coming on scene. You can talk to him
He
down at
better
the
come
station.
on scene. I requested it. It's in your department policy. Anytime somebody asks for a supervisor, you're supposed to get it.
There's one here,
This
pal.
one just committed assault and battery on me.
There's a supervisor
I
here,
want
bud.
his
I'll
supervisor.
notify him.
Lieutenant
Yeah,
Duncan
he
or
wants to come
Lieutenant
out here.
Sapp, now.
I'll notify him if he wants to come out here.
No, not if he wants. Tell him to get his fucking ass out here. I have 3 officers that need arrested.
Hey, that ain't minor.
I committed no crime. I broke no law.
11.
But you did.
Okay, Jason. I
Do
want.
I have a legal right? Do I have a legal obligation to answer anything you ask?
We explained
No,
it
I
right,
don't.
You don't. What I'm just.
When you
don't have,
grabbed
I'm not
me,
asking
that
you
became
questions.
battery. Simple, unwanted touching.
I'm not asking
Why are
you
you
questions.
yelling?
Because I'm on the ground in handcuffs for doing nothing.
Well, I'm explaining.
So get your fucking supervisor!
You seem very angry. Is there something
I'm
you're
pissed
angry about?
off! What law did I break?
Well,
None! What crime did I commit?
When
None!
I patted you down because you were acting.
You
really
have no
strange,
right to touch me!
Then you decide to square
What
up on me,
crime
so you
is it
went
to have
the
my
ground.
hands in my pockets?
When we're investigating an explosion,
Did I do it?
that's what we're trying
You
to
have
figure out.
no reasonable, articulable suspicion or a single articulable fact that I did anything.
Someone covering their face, concealing their
Is that a
activity,
crime?
hand in their pocket.
Is it a crime?
We're investigating.
Is it a crime?
We're investigating.
Yes or no?
Why are you yelling?
Is it a crime to have a face mask?
Why are you
No!
Hey, why
Is
are
it a
you
crime to
yelling?
have my hand in my pocket? No!
You seem very angry.
I'm pissed!
It sounds
You
like
committed crimes against me!
No one committed a crime against you.
Get your fucking lieutenant here!
Hey,
You're
he's
now
on the way.
committing more crimes.